It's Sunday.
It's family day!
Actually, Sunday lang din po ang usually bonding namin as a complete household family. Of course, it's rest day.
Yes!
Walang work ang mga titas, titos, mga mommies and daddies na trabahante. At walang pasok naman ang mga kiddos, mga pamangkin na mga estudyante. Kaya relax and family bonding today's our duty. From Barangay Panakan to Bago Aplaya, Davao City ang gibiyahe sa akong family. And mostly di ay samua, kay dugay na kayo dinhi nakaanhi. Siguro tong bata pa ko like nung elementary. But see, karon nindot na kaayo ang
Yes, Sunday!
definitely you will experience ultimate getaway with your family here in